Welcome back. In this video, we are finally going to look at how to make a video out of your keyframe animation on your camera. So here we go. This is just a bunch of settings and a quick, easy button press. So here's my animation that I have. First of all, you verify everything. You go to the camera view, right, by pressing 0 on the numpad. Just make sure everything in the orange box you like, because that's what the render is going to be. And that's good. Okay, I'll rewind. Okay, here we go for our settings. So the first setting up here is right here, render. Now, if you did any fancy effects, like the reflections, glass, etc., you probably don't want to use Eevee. I mean, if you're on Eevee render engine right now and it looks good, then all's good. But remember that sometimes you have to be in cycles to get all the effects, and this drastically increases the render time. Drastically. But you decide which one you need to use. Okay, go with Eevee if you can. Way faster. Okay, next tab down. Okay, that was the render tab. Next tab down, output. On the output tab, you're going to see here we have format. Let me just expand this a bit. You have some popular formats you can use. The one that we're going to use here is just going to be, I think, HDTV 1080p. That's the one we're set up with here. No need to go 4K, way too detailed, and it'll take way longer to render. Okay, so that one's not bad. If you do find your render time is long, you can even take it down smaller. Go to 720p. Okay, it'll be less quality, but it'll be faster rendering. Okay, frame rate 24. That's good. That's what we always told you is the default. Frame start, frame end. Now, I'm going to render from 1 to 240. Yours is longer. You're probably rendering up to 800 or 900 or 1000. Put the appropriate frame 1 start, put the appropriate end frame that you need it to go to. Okay. One of the most important settings, where do you want this to go? The output. Pick where you want your video file to go. So let's say you pick the desktop and you type in a name here and you say, it's going to be like my video. Okay, accept. Okay, and there you go. You should see the file thing there. And then the last setting or two. Media type, image. No, not image. Video. Okay, we're making a video. And then it does a little reset there. And that's pretty good. And then you're going to see your color, pixel, encoding is going to be the last one. And for the encoding, you can pick what type of video format you want to make. And I'm just going to tell you now, let's just go for MPEG-4. That's a very popular one. All programs can open it. Okay. And that's really it. It'll give you a couple quality settings here. In all honesty, you could probably set it down to low quality. You do not need to be at the highest quality. Whatever, I'll leave medium here. And that's it. Those are your settings for now, right? And that's going to make it. So again, get your frame rates, or sorry, your frame numbers, pick a location, set it to video, and put the encoding to MPEG-4. Okay, and that's it. Now, how do you get it going? Easy. Render. Render animation. And you're going to see it work away. It has to generate every single frame one at a time. And so it is actually moving right now. And you can see it's on frame 8. It's going to show you in the top left corner here where it is as it works. Frame 13. And it may phase in and out like this. Eventually, you will see your object. I'm just going to pause the video here until we get more happening. Okay, my object has just entered the scene here, and you can see what it's doing, right? It's not going fast for sure. It's not going too slow, but you'll see with your objects how they go. But that's pretty well how it's going to go, and it'll eventually finish. Sometimes students have to let it render an hour, 2 hours. All depends what you did, right? So hopefully it doesn't take too long. I'm just going to go straight to the end here. Okay, 6 minutes later, mine finally finished. It's partly because I'm recording the screen. It went way slower. But when you're finished, this render window was actually a separate window that was opened on top. I think you can hit escape and it closes it down and you should have your video. So if you actually just go look on the desktop here, Here's my video, and you'll see it should look good and smooth and nice and, works normally. And that's it. That's how you get your rendered video. And then you'll take that video and we'll do a little video as sound in on it and turn it into a little commercial. Thanks for watching.